How to connect Wix to Google Search Console. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how you can connect your Wix website to Google Search Console and land higher in search results and how you can be found on Google. So let's get started. You will simply open up your website. You will select the site on Wix and it'll take you right here to your main dashboard of the website. And you are here. If you have not completed the website yet, you will get this option right here, like let's set up your site, and it will show you the steps that are missing. And here you will find get found on Google. Now this is where we work on the SEO, and this is where we connect it to the Google Search Console. If you're not getting the option right here, then you can always go to the search bar and just type in get found on Google, and it will take you right here, Google Business Profile, and you'll be able to simply get to the Google different Google apps. So you can go to this option, or you can just click right here. So I'm going to do that. All right, so you can see start your SEO journey to get found on Google. So I'm going to just click on get started. Now it will take you some time to kind of like go through all of the steps, but I'm going to quickly just set it up. What's your business brand name? Then we have where do you serve your customers? I serve on a physical address. So I'm going to go with worldwide. Which keywords do you want to use in your checklist? So just type in the keywords and click on next. And there you go. Now you have your own SEO setup right here within your Wix dashboard. And there you go, we have our own Google console, and here I will be able to work on the SEO of my website. Now go through all of the options one by one, set up a homepage title for search results, add a homepage description for search results, connect your site to a custom domain, connect your site to Google Search Console. So this is the option right here. So we can just click on this option as well now. And if you already have an account on Google Search Console directly, then you will just click on connect now. Or if you do not have an account, then you can just go and then just click on connect now. You just have to go through all of the steps one by one, and then you can just connect your Google Search Console. So it will just like take 10 to 15 minutes for a whole process, and it's really easy to do. You'll just connect and add different descriptions and then just connect your Google Search Console, and it will allow you to add your Wix website to the console, and it will land higher in search results. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.